Hi, I am Limon, and in this video I'll show you how to merge multiple audio files into one in Audacity. Whether you are combining songs, voice recordings, podcasts or other audio clips, you can do it in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. First, open Audacity. Click File at the top. Hover over Import. Then select Audio. Browse the folder that contains your audio files. Select all the audio files you want to merge. Then click Open. Audacity will import each file as the separate track. If the tracks aren't in the order you want, simply drag and drop them to rearrange them. If you want your files to import in the correct order automatically, rename them with numbers like 01, 02, 03 and so on before importing them. Once your tracks are in the correct order, click Select at the top. Then click All. Next, click Tracks. Hover over Align Tracks. Then select Align End to End. Audacity will automatically place all of the tracks one after another. Now click Tracks again. Hover over Mix. Then select Mix and Render. Depending on the number of tracks and your computer's performance, this may take a few seconds to complete. Once it's finished, all of your audio tracks will be merged into the single track. If you want to remove any silent gaps between clips, you can select those sections and delete them before exporting. To save your merged audio file, click File. Hover over Export. Then choose your preferred audio format, such as MP3 or WAV. Choose the location to save the file. Enter the file name. Then click Save. And that's it. You have successfully learned how to merge multiple audio files into one in Audacity. If this video helped you out, leave a like and subscribe for more simple and easy to follow tech tutorials.